Okay, today, my friends, we're gonna do Malasana, Garland Pose. One of my, I don't know, least favorites. It took me years to get as basic as I am, and it's still not one of my best poses, but that's why I want to do it, to show you that yoga is accessible to every body type. So with Garland Pose, you want to take your toes and place them off the mat, heels on the mat. And you can do fanciful things, aesthetic things like inhale up, bring the hands down into Anjali Mudra prayer position and squat. Or you can just sort of curl the tailbone under a bit, engaging your TVA, squat down on the inside of the knees. And see here, my chest is forward, faces up, and my heels and my feet, soles of the feet are on the ground. You just want to let your body gradually rest. Breathing. You can use the elbows to influence the knees outward. And as you get more expansive in the pose, the feet will get more narrow. So the feet can go straight and more condensed. There's less distance between the ankles. But your expression is your expression. So you can hang out here. You want to hang out here for like a minute, maybe 30 seconds. When you're ready to come up, you're just going to extend up, bring the feet in. Namaste. Quick and easy. Let me also show you a few supports. You can take a blanket, curl it up, roll it up to your distance, placing it underneath the heels at the appropriate height. Lessens the pressure, allows you to still drop down. Depends, and you can make it as high as you want. Depends on your body. So, because in Garland, you don't want the feet, the heels to pop up off the ground. You're not going to get the stretch that's intended. So you see here from the side view, I can hang out here a lot longer and reap the benefits of the pose. Another support you can do, blocks. Again, blocks at whatever appropriate height. So if this is how high I want, maybe you can even make it this high. You can get into Garland Pose here. Seems like you're cheating, you're not cheating. You're just meeting your body where your body is at. So whether it's there or here again, so that you can reap the benefits of the pose. Same thing when you're ready to come up, you hold it for 30 seconds, 60 seconds. You will just come up and you're all done.